Hi, my name is JJ. I'm with Mainlander Property Management, and I'd like to talk to you today about evictions due to non-payment of rent. We collect rent on the first of the month with a grace period of 5 days. After the 5th, if we've not received rent, we then are allowed to give the tenants, or by law, give the tenants 72 hours to turn in their rent. If we've not received it, within that 72 hours, we can then begin the eviction process. We'll send out a notice to the tenant saying that if we do not receive rent within 8 days, that they will be evicted from the property. We then have to wait for that final 8 days until about the 14th or 15th to receive that rent. Once that day is passed, if we still have not received rent, we're able to post a notice to their door, as well as request for a court hearing, or what is referred to as the first appearance. We then start that process and ask them to attend that, to either tell us their situation, which we're able to work with if we've not heard from them before then, or to ask what they would like to do to try and remedy it, but by no means do we have to. After that, if they do not appear to that first hearing or to that first appearance, then by default they are evicted from the property, and the landlord in essence wins that case. If the landlord does not show up, then it defaults the other way to the tenant, and they are allowed to stay in the property. It is a complex and very legal stricken process. We need to make sure that everything is done correctly, is close down to making sure that everything is spelled correctly, the address is written down correctly. If the letters are mixed up on the name, they're able to default and say that it's not them, and we'd have to begin the whole process over. So we like to make sure that it is done correctly and done right the first time. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at our office at Mainlander. Thank you very much.